So I just got done with a quick rip and I figured it was an awesome time to tell you guys about the all new MPVI4 from HP Tuners. For years now, we have relied on HP Tuners for all of our vehicles that run a factory PCM, especially our workhorse demo cars. This is HP Tuners' newest and most advanced vehicle interface, all in one, tuning, scanning, diagnosing, you name it, it does it all. And the best thing about this is no more wires. It has built-in data logging. You simply plug it in, press the record button, and then you can later look at it on your laptop. No more freaking wires, no more laptops flying around the car when you're trying to drive and get that data. The geniuses at HP Tuners continue to build products for us enthusiasts to be on top of our vehicles, whether it's a race car, street car, it doesn't matter. This one device does it all.